Hey guys, right now I'm on an airplane going home from Mexico.
My brother's taking a dump.
Shut up! And my brother's in the bathroom, so I'm sitting in his seat. We have like a whole row to ourselves. Oh yeah. Like a boss, let's open the shades. There we go. You can see out our window. Can you see it? You see? Oh my gosh, you can't see. Wow, you guys, the case is on the wrong way. Someone put the iPad case on the wrong way. Yeah, so we're just sitting here. We're on a really bigger plane than it's usually. It's one of WestJet's new ones, so it's a lot bigger. Oh, some guys touch.
Get a whole big seat to ourselves.
And yeah, so we're just chilling. It's gonna be a long, really long flight, but it's actually not that long. It's like 7 hours. No, somewhere around there. But we're just chilling. Sorry I haven't vlogged at all while I was gone. I was having so much Wi-Fi problems and just issues. And it was not good. So yeah, I got a lot of good footage for the main channel video, and it'll be up soon. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. Oh, the TVs are working now because we were just flying over water. Oh, where are we? I'll tell you guys where we're over. In just a moment here, just a moment. Oh, how is that? We're just gonna come back. He's in the bathroom in the Willie Dale bathroom. Yeah, so we're on a 737-800 LR, and it's a really nice plane. It's one of WestJet's new planes. It has like the new leather seats. Oh, we're like just about flying over. What's it called? We're just flying over New Orleans right now. We like just took off. Well, actually not just. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Here's one last. Yeah, people probably think I'm crazy. I don't care. So I guess I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of our flight. Oh my gosh. Well, my brother's out. He's gonna come. Wait. Wait. Jarvis. Wow, he's still at the back of the plane. So, how's it going? I don't want to get in trouble. How's it going? Oh no. What? I'm vlogging. Say hi.
Yes, I'm vlogging. He's vlogging. He's vlogging.
New bathrooms?
Yeah, there's like a... You like press it and then...
See you guys later.
Peace.